Hello, my children. Ram is basically the next level part of the language. So here one person told that the automobile industry basically earns money like this basically, and they have basically earned lots of money. So here one person told that if any person basically is getting good money, not getting good money, everything is connected with the human soul. 700 crore basically, and 20 crore human souls basically, child basically, which is going to come basically. So one person told that yeah, मेरा income basically, I'm basically not getting job in software companies basically, because there it's a good income basically. There it's a good income, but I am not getting it. I am basically not getting. I am basically not getting. So he was basically, he told that basically he basically was knowing to one, he have basically one friend basically, he was working in the nuclear power company basically. He told that basically just taking assume that basically I am that person basically, because I can take my example only, and I have basically one friend in nuclear power company, but in real basically I don't have, just taking example basically. So Sunil Arna basically given the problem to that nuclear power plant person basically. He told that basically, Sunil, basically your human souls basically is in Russia. Here they are doing the process in bulk basically, and in bulk basically they have told that this all human souls basically are supposed to do this whole process. And Russian group basically are connected with the Hanuman and Ram Parivar, and this is those Parivar basically who only give trouble to people. That is the Kast basically. So one of the person told that I think it might possible that Ram Parivar and Hanuman Parivar basically might be getting Kast only in their life basically. Or planet basically group basically might have given them Kast only basically. So they might be passing Kast only. That is also possible. That is also possible. So next video.